You can bring data into Excel by pasting or importing it from other sources, but much of the time you're just going to type it in yourself. For example, I'm planning a get-together, and 3 friends are helping me cover the costs. I want to keep track of costs and how much we've all contributed so far. Cell A1 is already selected, so I'll just start typing. Each time I hit Enter, I move to the next cell down, below my entry. Next, I'll enter the estimates I have so far for this get-together. Now I can see that I need to make column A wider so that all of the items are fully visible. A quick double-click on the right side of the column heading takes care of that. Now I'll align the cost heading to the right side so it looks better. And I'll bold those headings so they stand out. Next, I'll total up the costs. I click below the list of costs, click Auto Sum in the ribbon, and then press Enter. My 3 friends are splitting the cost of this event with me, so I'll add them to the worksheet. The 4 of us are splitting the cost evenly, so I'll use a simple formula to divide the total amount by 4. And now I see that each of us needs to contribute about $856.25 to cover the costs of the event. Now I want to add a column to track what each person has paid so far. Each of us has chipped in $200 so far. Using AutoSum again shows that we have $800 so far. As we contribute more, I can easily edit these amounts, and my total will update automatically. Learn more at support.office.com.